Mustang owners who are after the perfect engine sound should look no further than the BBK Performance Varitune Mufflers. Varitune Mufflers feature the patented adjustable power valve that puts tuning in your hands. This muffler kit sells for right around $550 and is designed as a direct bolt-on for 05 to 2010 V8 Mustangs. This stainless steel kit includes flow tubes, mufflers, and big 4-inch stainless steel tips. Plus you get all the hardware for a clean and easy installation. The BBK Performance Varitune Mufflers allow you to quickly change from a 3-chamber muffler to a 1-chamber muffler, which gives you more power and more sound. We first removed the clamp securing the rear of the muffler, then we loosened the X-pipe. Next we unbolted the muffler hanger bracket and removed the muffler from the car. We then reinstalled the hanger bracket and slipped the new flow tube onto the Varitune muffler. We then slid the muffler into place and snugged up the clamps. With the muffler aligned, we installed the 4-inch exhaust tip and tightened the clamps to secure the system. Once we had our Varitune mufflers installed, we put the Mustang to the test on our DynoJet chassis dyno. Prior to the install, it produced 274 horsepower and 272 pound-feet of torque. With the Varitune mufflers, we saw as much as 279 horsepower and 279 pound-feet of torque. About what's available for your late model performance car, be sure to check out brothersperformance.com and stop by our showroom and installation center located in DeLand, Florida, or call 1-800-486-2681.